Okay, I made these today. This is another one of them cool little clusters. This is garnet, angel aura quartz, aluminum, and some pretty sparkly black glittery stuff on the bottom. And then this thing, I love it. Oh my gosh, he's a beast. This is iolite, and then there is clear quartz and selenite in the pink area. I don't know if you can see how glittery that is under there. That texture kind of hides it. And then underneath, I got 4 metals in here. It's aluminum, zinc plated steel BBs, the copper plated steel BBs, and brass. And this also has the glittery stuff on the bottom. But man, this one, wow.